Well, in this video I have two Coach unboxings for you, and I'm going to tell you why I'm returning both of them. And they're both handbags. Also, I received these straps in the mail for the Emery bags behind me, so I'm going to show you how and if those work on the bags. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. One of the perks of subscribing, on your YouTube homepages, you'll see my community posts, and that's where I share deals and coupon codes and sales on all these beautiful things that we love. Also, I am trying to get back on Instagram, so please check me out there. My name is Autumn Beckman there as well. All right, let's open this one first. Now, I have to confess, these aren't true unboxings. I have already opened both of them, which is how I know that I want to return both of them, so it's really more of a reveal. This handbag was wrapped in this styrofoam, and then that was inside this plastic bag. And I got this one from the outlet, but it is a boutique bag. And this one is no longer available on the outlet. However, it's now available on the regular Coach website in the sale. But this is the large size, the smaller size is available. Let's see what it is. It is the Coach Alexa in this shiny metallic gold champagne color. The reason I'm returning it is the shiny gold metallic champagne color. It looked darker on the website. It didn't look quite so shiny. It looked a little bit of a different texture to me. In person, the texture, it's not glitter, but it almost looks glittery. I don't know. It's just very shiny. And that's great for some people. It is not great for me. So here is the front. I'm not going to unwrap this one, but I have another one I can show you. Just giving you a quick overview of it. I still have the chain wrapped up. This one has the gunmetal hardware. It does come with a crossbody strap. It's a chain and gunmetal. The smaller version that's on the regular Coach website in the sale right now does not come with a chain for some reason. However, if you go to the Coach outlet, you can get these chains for $15. I already have, as some of you know, two Alexas. I have the black one, which is also the large size and the gold hardware. And this one I purchased at Macy's. It's one of the Coach boutique bags, not an outlet bag. And it did come with the gold, the antique gold chain. I had a subscriber tell me she ordered one and it did not come with the chain. So I don't know what's going on with that. I have no idea why some of these bags come with a chain and some don't. It makes no sense. And then this one I purchased on the outlet, and it's in burgundy with almost a caviar type leather print or texture. And it does come with a gold chain. Notice I still have this wrapped up. Anyone who remembers my unboxing of this bag will remember that I was not happy with it, but I had tossed the receipt already, so I couldn't return it. So this bag is up for sale. Let me do a quick comparison here. So the burgundy one is the smaller size bag, and the black one is not for sale. That's part of my collection. I still need to film the comparison video between these two and what fits and all that, but otherwise, once I do that, this bag is available if anyone wants to purchase it. It is brand new. It's still all wrapped up. It still has the tags on it. This one retailed for $200. I'm going to ask $100 for it, and that would include UPS ground shipping, and this would only be to the United States. So that is the first Coach unboxing that I'm returning and why I'm returning it. Here is the second, and again, not a true unboxing, I've already opened it. Receipts and a little card came wrapped like this, and I asked for gift wrapping, so it did come in this little box with some red ribbon for the holidays. Came wrapped in tissue paper with a little Coach sticker on it. And the item, it is a really beautiful piece. It's just, I'll tell you why it's not going to work for me, but look at that. It's lovely. It is the Coach Hutton, and it's the clutch version. And the reason I'm returning it is that it's smaller than I thought it would be. I didn't realize, I guess I didn't look at dimensions when I bought it. I just thought, oh, that's pretty, place in cart. I didn't realize it's a wallet on chain. I thought it was bigger than that. But it's gorgeous, and of course it's bronze, so that's what caught my eye. This is a back pocket, and it's lined in that sort of micro suede fabric and the burgundy that they have in a lot of their pieces. It has the little coach horse and carriage there. It has this piping, not piping, but a trim on it. It's really pretty. And one of the signatures of the Hutton bags, twist lock, comes up, has that microfiber burgundy. Up front here is a zipped compartment. The zipper's smooth, and that's just an open space there to put whatever you'd want to put in that zipped compartment. You take out the paper so you can see that a little better. The main compartment, here's my problem with the bag. I was expecting that to be more gusseted than it is and to be able to open up and expand more than it does, but it doesn't. It's just that thin rectangle. Similar to the Louis Vuitton Felicie in that way, where it's just a rectangle. And it is what it is. So inside there, you have one big pocket, and there is a crossbody chain that comes with it. So let me pull that out. Here's the chain, antiqued gold. So you have the one big open pocket. On the back wall there, there's one big pocket. There's another pocket here, and then on the outside of that pocket are some card slots, 6 card slots. And again, it's beautiful. I got it as part of the Coach sale, the Coach Boutique website, not the outlet. By the way, I'll link everything I'm showing you in the description box below, so if you are interested in purchasing any of these, it'll be easy for you to just scroll down and click the link instead of having to search the website. All of these pieces are still available, except what I said about that Alexa, where just the smaller one is available. But it has these little D-rings on the side where you can attach that crossbody strap, and it has this D-ring where you could leave this Coach tag on, or you could attach a bag charm of your choice. Again, beautiful little piece. I just know that I would never ever use it. It would look great sitting in my closet, it'd be very pretty there, but I'd rather put the money towards something else. And I was going to tell you the small Alexa in that champagne color is on sale for $87.50. It was originally $175. That Hutton wallet on a chain is on sale for $125. It was originally $250. Now these straps are only $20. These are boutique items because they go in the Emery bags, which are boutique items, not outlet items. However, they are for sale on the outlet, only $20 each. I left this one wrapped up because I wanted to show you how it came packaged. I thought this was interesting. So it's in this long plastic sleeve, and the leather bits are covered in some styrofoam to keep those protected. But what I thought was funny, because I wouldn't think about this with a strap, is that it comes with a dust bag, and the dust bag is wrapped in plastic, wrapped separately. That was weird. These straps come in 4 different colorways. I got dark brown with the turquoise edging, and I got this tan with the dark brown edging. Let me take this off. I'm curious. Oh, and look, it has the paperwork attached in styrofoam too. What is up with this packaging? That's so weird. All right, so here is what the strap looks like. The Emery doesn't have clips, like little D-rings where you clip a strap. It's a buckle system. And I have another video where I show you the Emerys and go into more detail about that, so I'll link that below in case you want more information about the bags. But I'd mentioned in that video that I had purchased these straps, so I wanted to make sure and follow up and show them to you. It has the tag on the strap. It says the MSRP was $65. Good Lord, I'm glad I only got them for $20. All right, this one, the tan with the dark brown edging, has black leather. So I'm going to try that on my Emery 21, the smaller bag, the black one, and see how that works. You can see the strap is attached like that. This is the strap that came with the bag, which is full leather. And I prefer these on the longest length, so that's what I'm going to do here. You can see this new strap is, it almost looks navy. Maybe it's navy. It does have light blue stitching in it. This strap is a little bit wider than the one that came on the Emery 21. So let's see if that even fits on the bag. Oh, it won't. It will not go through the buckle. So these straps are not made for the Emery 21. They're made for the full-size Emery. So let's try them on there. Interesting. The things we learn on Autumn Beckman's channel. And by the way, if you're interested in one of those bag stands, I will link them below. Got them on Amazon. So I'm going to try those straps on this bag. I'm also going to try to double up the strap. I'm not sure it'll fit through the buckle, but since it's fabric, yeah, I can bend it. It should be fine. The strap on the longest length on the larger size bag too Actually, I prefer it doubled up as a shoulder bag, but I'll stand up and model this for you. And that fit in there perfectly, and this is how it looks. Yeah, I think that is a navy. It looks navy on camera. It doesn't in person because the lights are blinding me. Okay, and I'm 5'3" for reference. Here it is on my shoulder on the longest length, and then crossbody on the longest length. It looks good, I think. Let's see how it looks on my shoulder on the shortest length. So there is the shortest length. That works too. I can reach the bottom of the bag at this length. Now let's double it up and see if it'll work that way. And it sure does. Just like I said, the strap is a little too wide there, but since it's fabric, it just bends into place. It's not a big deal at all. And there it is on the longest doubled up length, which again is my favorite way to wear these bags. I can tell that this, as you would expect, is super comfortable. It's a raw fabric, or I don't know what to call that material, but it's not coated where it's not shiny and plasticky, and that makes it all the more comfortable. Very nice. I encourage you, if you're interested in these Emery bags, to watch the video I did about them. I talk about the Emery and the Emery 21. I go into great detail on both of the bags and some of the history of them and comparing them to the Hermes Evelyn. And now we have these lovely straps. I want to take the other one out and see how that looks, just because it's a different colorway. Now this one has a brown leather instead of that navy. It's not the same color as this bag, but I don't think it really matters. All right, so here's how that looks. I mean, it'd be nice if it matched, but it's not bad. You could get away with that, right? This one would be pretty. There's also a black one and a navy one. It'd be pretty on the navy. It'd be pretty on the black too. It's too bad these don't fit the little one. I was hoping they would, but the last thing I want to do is open one of these dust bags because I'm curious, like a special dust bag? Is it a long skinny dust bag? I wouldn't think so. Nope. It's just like this. So you can roll the strap up and put it in, or you could sort of fold it and put it in. But it's nice that it came with a dust bag. It's pretty fancy for just a strap. Well, I hope that was helpful and you learned something about these pieces, and maybe I saved you some trouble, or maybe you were like, you fool, you shouldn't return that, I should have it. But remember, if you do want any of these things, they are linked below. Please remember to like this video if you liked it, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.